Damn, you ain't never dating him. You were just in the friend zone.
Yeah.
Am I right? Or am I right?
The friends with benefits zone.
Oh, friends with benefits zone. Gang, 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 bitch. You know what I'm saying? Yo, today's video has no intro, man. All I'm gonna say is, if you enjoy this video, give this video a thumbs up. If I could get freaking 20 thumbs up, because my last video has like 18 thumbs up, y'all are gonna make my day. That's all I'm gonna say, you know what I'm saying? So, without further ado, let's get straight to it. What's happening, May? June, July?
Yeah, what's up? You never call me on 2P. What do you mean what's happening?
I'm just trying to have a conversation, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, you just trying to have a conversation?
That's the vibe.
Uh-huh.
Yeah, what you been up to? May from Maryland? Gang, gang. Gang in this bitch, you know what I'm saying? What's up?
Yeah, what did you just say?
I said, I like your headphones, and God bless you.
You did not say that, you liar.
That's what I said. I said, I love you. I said, I love you. Headphones are just damn bitch.
I have no idea what you said, but you did not say that.
Oh. Yo, ladies. What's up, ladies?
Got another one over there, too.
Oh, we got 3 ladies in the building with 1 gentleman, you know what I'm saying?
I don't know what you're saying.
No, you don't? No. You don't know what I'm saying? Okay, I'm not. Hey. Is that a cat?
The cat was yeah.
Damn. That's your pussy? No.
Yeah.
I see you touching your pussy. But you know, don't do too much.
You know, I come on here. I come on here because I want to have a conversation with an adult. The only people I ever have a conversation with is my mother and my 4.5.
Oh, I'm an adult, so you know what I'm saying.
And my
You're having the right
my dog doesn't
conversation.
have conversation. You're not an adult. I think you were like what 7? You're like 17, so stop it.
You're wrong.
I mean, at the most, maybe 18.
I'm 20.
Okay, how old are you?
I'm 20. I mean, I'm gonna be 20 in like next
no,
month.
You're not.
Yeah. Can't you see what my?
You're gonna be 20 in like what, like 6 in like 6 months?
No, in like a month. You know what I'm saying?
So you're still a baby. You're still.
I'm gonna keep it 1,000. You know what I'm saying? You know what they call me? I'm the realest nigga breathing.
You're a baby to me. You're a baby to me.
I mean,
whatever his name is.
You might be 27. You might be 27.
You're a baby though. You're a baby to me.
You might be 27. But you look.
Trying to like what?
You might be 27. She's so serious.
What did you just say? I was trying to like sabotage you.
Yeah.
Sabotage you?
I said you might be 27, but you look younger than me.
I know. I look like I'm like 17, 18 years old. I look like a baby.
That's a good thing, right?
And so, well, no, I mean it's okay.
I'm weak, bro. I was trying so hard so she could get it. But she kept, like, she was like, oh, it depends on you. I'm like, bro, it's just a joke, bro. It's just a joke. Damn. Y'all niggas get the joke, right? You know, magnets attractive. Me eating magnets, I become attractive. No? Was that a dead joke? Okay, yeah, I'm just gonna stop, bro. Alright, we got back. Fuck.
It was like a snack.
Damn.
See, that's what, you know, I mean, back in you know, I mean, that's what you're a baby. You're such a baby. I love that you're such a baby.
Wait, what did you just say? Oh, you love that I'm a baby.
His name is Scooby-Doo. He's 21.
Scooby-Doo from North Carolina. Damn, you're a disgrace to the state.
You were never dating him, you stupid bitch.
Damn, you were never dating him. You were just in the friend zone.
Yeah.
Am I right? Or am I right?
The friends with benefits zone.
Oh, friends with benefits zone. Bye-bye. Bye-bye. Ain't nobody wants your number. Shit. You have a nice smile.
Oh, thank you.
Yeah. I was gonna say, like, cause you know what I'm saying? You're pretty, I'm cute. You know, together we're cute, you know? We're pretty cute.
I see what you're saying.
Yeah. Huh? You guys should, you know, comment down in the freaking comment box. Comment L. Hell. That was a fat L, bro. She was like, huh. She probably got a boyfriend or something. Hey, if you know I made you smile in this video, if you know you enjoyed this video, make sure you give this video a thumbs up. And if you want more videos like this, just comment in the freaking comment section. I could do this all day, you know what I'm saying? I could do this, you know what I'm saying? Just make sure, give this video a like, and if you're new to this channel, make sure you subscribe. I really appreciate it, you know what I'm saying? And if you know you enjoyed this video, just comment freaking more in the comment section or something. Y'all gotta let me know, cause I could do this all day, you know what I'm saying? Without further ado, man, I love you guys, man. Shit. Bye. I love y'all, man. Shit.